If you're seeing the GOG install error E3, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error is often caused by connection issues, a stuck GOG Galaxy process, a paused download state, or even VPN and proxy settings blocking the installer from connecting properly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it and get back to installing your game. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. This is the most common cause of GOG install error E3, so before anything else, make sure your internet is stable. Open your browser, try loading a few websites, and see if your connection is working normally. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, restart your router and give the connection a minute to fully refresh. Once your internet is stable again, try the installation one more time and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to restart GOG Galaxy. Sometimes the app gets stuck in the background and prevents downloads from completing properly. To do this, open Task Manager on your computer, look for GOG Galaxy in the list of running processes, right-click on it, and choose End Task. This fully closes the app instead of just minimizing it. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy and try the download again. In many cases, this simple restart clears the error right away. If that still doesn't work, move on to Pause and resume the download. Open GOG Galaxy, go to the Download section, and look for the Resume All option. Click Resume All first, then click Pause All. This may sound backwards, but it can refresh the download queue and force the client to reconnect properly. After pausing, wait a few seconds, then resume the download and check whether the install continues normally. Another important fix is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with GOG servers and cause connection blocking, which leads to error E3 during installation. If you have a VPN active, turn it off completely. If you're using a proxy, disable that as well. Once both are off, restart GOG Galaxy and try again. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to run GOG Galaxy as administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to properly access files, connect to servers, and complete the installation process. To do this, right-click on the GOG Galaxy shortcut or executable, then click Run as Administrator. If prompted by Windows, approve the permission request. Then try launching the install again and see if the issue is resolved. And if none of those steps work, the last option is to reinstall GOG Galaxy completely. Sometimes the installation files themselves can become corrupted, and a fresh install is the best way to fix that. Go to GOG.com, download the latest version of GOG Galaxy, and install it again on your PC. Once the new version is installed, sign back in and try your game download one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve GOG install error E3 and get everything working again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.